So today we're gonna eat some chicken at Pollos Asados off of Rigsby Street in San Antonio. This is one of those places that I've told Danny about multiple times, and today we're finally gonna shoot a video. So anyway, I'm not gonna bore you too much with the details. We need to get in there because this place gets packed quick. So we'll see you in there. Okay, so this place is always super packed. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna sit us outside because if we sit inside, you're not gonna be able to hear us. What you really want to get here, you can get whatever you want, obviously, but what you want is the chicken. That's what I'm gonna get. Now, they also have the, they have burgers and bean burgers and different burgers, but I haven't even gotten that far. I have never tried the burgers here. They do have a sausage that's covered with cheese and bacon. It's like a... Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get me one of those. Man, I don't know what else to get after that.
It says the best charbroiled chicken, so I'm gonna go with the chicken. I'm gonna do a half chicken.
And I mean, you see, so the reason we're sitting out here is because it is packed in there. If we sat in there, you guys would not be able to hear us. So we're sitting outside, and but yeah, that's what's happening. I told Daniel that we can do this place. This place has awesome food. However, it would be a challenge because of how crowded it gets. So we showed up at 11 a.m. hoping that it wouldn't be as crowded. Well, it's full. So luckily they let us sit outside.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. We are ready.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna do the half chicken.
Have chicken with me?
We're gonna do a full chicken.
A whole chicken?
Okay, full chicken. Yeah, I'd like to get some charro beans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else? You want a guacamole, pico de gallo?
Yeah, I want guacamole.
Okay.
And I also want, what do you call that sausage with
The salchicha?
the salchicha with the cheese and the bacon? Oh yeah.
Okay.
You want one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get you one.
Because I always say no to ribs, and then I always want ribs, and so now you're out for asking something else. I might as well just do it.
Now the whole chicken, what does it come with?
It comes with rice, beans, the grilled onion, and the grilled jalapeno.
Okay, so you're already getting. Okay. And so we're adding so we have a whole chicken,
Yes. With
guacamole.
beans, 2 sausages, and a guaca. Do you want the 8-ounce or the small one?
Do you want wok?
I'm good.
You want the small one?
Yeah, 8 ounce.
Okay.
Yeah.
8 ounce?
Oh, but now what's in that wok?
It's just guacamole. Just avocado.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. 8 ounce. Anything else?
Do you have any hot sauce?
Yes.
Like,
it's that one.
Is that the
It's
hottest
not
thing you have?
hot.
Okay.
It's not really
All right.
But it's really good.
Okay. We'll give it a shot.
Okay.
And your
I'll
name?
be right back. Patty.
Patty. Thank you, Pat.
Okay. Here we go.
Wow, that was fast.
We're just missing the sausage, but they'll right up. Okay.
All right.
Oh wow, that was fast.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a whole chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you need anything else?
No, ma'am.
You're good?
We are good. Thank
Enjoy.
you. Okay, Daniel. Well, get you whatever you want.
All right. I'm gonna go with a small piece.
Now we're gonna get messy, so I hope you guys don't mind. But I don't see how else you can eat this chicken.
That is so good.
I've been telling you. This is like the best chicken I've ever had.
Oh man. That is so good. Wow.
Exactly. I've been trying to tell you that.
I have never had chicken that tastes like this. And it's hard to describe. But I'll try.
Try it.
I can't, the flavor is just so unique. It's very, it has a good smoky flavor to it. I like the pepper on there.
Here we go.
Can you give
This-
me paper towels?
Yeah, sure.
This is just amazing. Oh my gosh, and the flavor's all the way through. You know how typically you get meat, it's just like on the skin.
I
Oh, so good. It's so tender and juicy, and I just want it.
Oh man, look, here's the sausage. Yeah, it's good stuff, man. Now, here's the thing about guacamole, right? So for some reason, a lot of people confuse guacamole with avocado. They're not the same thing. Okay? You use avocados to make guacamole, but so when she said she asked me if I wanted guacamole or avocado, I asked her, well, what's in the guacamole? She says, oh, it's pretty much we just smash the avocado. I'm like, all right, I'll have that. Sometimes guacamole is not good. So usually I really like avocado. So usually what I do is I will ask just for the avocado because I know what I'm getting, right? And then I go from there. I can always smash it myself, but
I've been experimenting at home trying to cook chicken on the grill, and I've been very scared, man. I'm always worried that I'm not going to do it right. I'm going to undercook it. And if I could get to this master level.
You mean to the level that these people got to that they have a restaurant packed every day?
Yeah, if I could get here maybe in 20 years.
Yeah, that'd probably be good.
I would make this every day.
Yeah, it's good stuff, man. It's crazy. Crazy how good it is.
Uh-huh.
I've had this like 3 days in a row before. Nope, didn't get tired of it.
Oh, man.
Now you understand why I haven't gotten to anything else. Like I can't get past the chicken.
Yeah. These onions.
Yeah.
Oh. I love it like this when oh, man. I don't know, man. I get so excited about food. And then different food. Like, I love learning about food. It's cool, man. I like things that are culturally different than what I'm used to, you know. Even though I'm Hispanic, I was not raised in a typical Hispanic home. And I never really ate a lot of Mexican food growing up. So when I get to eat things that are different, for me anyways, oh.
You live in Texas, and Mexican food is different to you?
Like I said, I did not grow up eating Mexican food. Yeah, so I just didn't grow up eating it.
All right. Man, freaking messy.
All right, I'm going to try this thing. Oh, Lord have mercy. Straight up sausage wrapped in bacon and cheese. All right. I'm going to cut that in half, the big old piece.
Right? It's like I don't even know how they get all these flavors, man.
Damn.
I know what's going on here. I feel like I'm a very messy eater, but I like to enjoy my food, so I don't think you can do both. So I don't.
I think the only way to really enjoy your food is to just really get into it.
Right.
Experience it.
Yeah. Like I said, it's just I just feel like we're being very rude, but that's part of the job, right? I mean,
gotta suffer through it, I guess. You know, we're gonna make a whole video on Erik's pet peeves. It'll be like a two-parter.
I don't think it's just me, man. That seems like pretty common. Like, don't be late.
Yeah.
That's like a rule of the universe.
But you also have a pet peeve of, you know, concrete and cement.
Right.
But I think that was an unrealistic.
It's called concrete. It's not cement. So.
But I think it's unrealistic because, you know, like the lay person doesn't know the difference. Now, as you educate them,
They should.
you know, as long as they subscribe to the Texas Barndominiums channel, we're not plugging it or anything.
Well, yeah. I mean, so
The link right here.
so concrete and cement. Just while we eat, let's discuss that. Cement is an ingredient to make concrete. So the way I describe it is, cement is to concrete like flour is to a cake. Okay, it's just an ingredient. So in my brain, the way it works is when somebody calls it cement, it's like calling a cake flour. I'm gonna get you a birthday flower. It's like, no, you mean cake? Same thing. No. So, funny story, side story. There was a guy that asked me to if he could bid some of our jobs, right, concrete-wise, and I said, yeah, what the hell? Give me a quote. So he gave me a quote, and he said Labor will cost you X amount. Materials will cost you X amount. And cement will cost you X amount. I fired him before I hired him. You are not. If you're a concrete guy, you do not call it cement. Thank you. I mean, that's just. I mean, I get it, but if you're in the business, you should not call it cement ever. We call it mud. We call it mud a lot of times.
Really?
Concrete, yeah.
Interesting.
It's like, oh, what time is the mud gonna get here? We can call it mud. See, that's okay. Just don't call it cement.
We can call it mud. Another one that I was unaware of and you made me aware of, which again, this is not a. For Eric, I'm honestly, anybody in this business would hear me say it and be like, dude, come on, really? So I would always say measuring tape. And Eric's like, it's a tape measure. And in my mind, I think it's the same thing. But Erik is right. And so measuring tape is for your waist, you know, and tape measure is.
Yes.
So, and it's little things like that I'm learning.
Yeah, so he would say, let me get a measuring tape. And I'm like, no, you need a tape measure. Same thing. Oh, no, it's not.
Which is good. I'm glad I'm learning it because, you know, I don't want to say something when Erik is not around, especially if I'm on a job site just standing there, somebody's talking to me, and sound foolish.
Oh,
jalapeno.
jalapeno. Yeah, have that. There you go. See, you're getting good at this. Oh, really? Man, you just did it all nonchalant. I figured that. Whatever. No, come on, really?
It was a. Oh.
So, just for the record, this is a jalapeno toreado, which means they put it on the skillet. That's supposed to make it spicier. I don't know. I don't know anything about peppers. I don't like spicy food. I'm not like Daniel.
Oh. Oh, God.
Really?
Well, I was thinking, I've been doing this a lot lately. Maybe my body's getting used to it. My body wants to reject it big time. Oh. I'm trying to keep it together.
I wish you guys were here because it's always amusing to me to see his face. We suck at acting, okay? So none of this is acted. We just, as you guys can see, we just here having lunch. And he would do something stupid like that. Out of the blue. And then this happens.
I'm missing my my wrench. I'm really trying to learn how to eat more spicy food. Like my mouth just feels like wet. Like I'm just like. You can do it, Contreras. Oh. Sometimes you just gotta encourage yourself.
There you go. Woo. That's all it takes, man. Take another bite.
No, I'm good. I'm good. I almost finished that thing. That's impressive even for myself. Man, I got cocky, man. I was just like, I'm just gonna be, just take a bite and be good.
Yeah, you surprised me. You just grabbed it and took it. I'm like, oh, holy crap. Eye of the Dragon. Oh, you're right?
Through it. Yeah,
you're right?
push through it.
All right, man.
Yeah.
Welcome back.
Like, I feel like I can see again. Man, it's all up in my right ear. I guess you don't ever eat spicy, huh? Like,
Nope.
You should avoid it?
Yep.
So I'm weird, like,
Yeah.
obviously, but
All right.
like when I eat spicy, like I feel it in my ear, like right in the back of my ear.
You've said that before.
Strange, man. Or sometimes I'll feel it on the top of my head. Like that's when it's bad. If I feel on top of my head, like it's a scratch, like I can't itch it. Yeah, that's that. That's bad. That's like one step away from Daniel's gonna seize up.
Wow. All right.
Wow.
Welcome back. What do you think?
Good. Wow. Oh my. This by far the most amazing chicken I've ever, like no lie. Like there's not even a second. There's not even like I could compare. No, this is.
Let me ask you
hands
something.
down.
What did you think when I would say that to you? I said, this is the best chicken you will ever have.
Okay, so Eric asked me the question, what do I think when he tells me like this is the best chicken you'll ever eat? And honestly, there's no real answer for that, because like what do you say? It's like I had no gauge. I had nothing to put it up against just because I've never had it before. But once I did have that chicken, oh my, I mean, by far the best chicken I've ever had, bar none, hands down, compared to from any genre of food, it was the best chicken I've ever had. So if you get a chance and you're out in this area, go to Pollos Asados. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I can't even say it enough. You know, we eat a lot and we talk about a lot of food, and even outside of doing the reviews, and just talking about it, we talk about food quite often, honestly, whether we're sharing ideas or techniques. But I will say, learning how to cook chicken like that, I'm not sure I will ever get to that level. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm just gonna go keep visiting there, and I encourage you guys to do the same thing. So like I said, if you're ever in the area of San Antonio, check them out. Pollos Asados, right off of Rigsby, I believe it is. I'll put the address right here and in the description below. But until next time, I'm Daniel, and we are Texas Barndominiums.